How to Venmo on DoorDash. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can use Venmo on DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use your Venmo on DoorDash to pay for stuff, you can link Venmo previously only with your DoorDash account. And in order to do this, you can simply open your browser, go to DoorDash.com and log into your account. Then tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen here, and you'll find one of the options that says payment. Now when you go to the payment option, let this page load up. By default you will only see three options, but if you wait for a little while, you should also be able to find Venmo from the list as you just did. So just tap the Venmo option. It will take you to the redirect you to the page where you can link your Venmo account and log in using Venmo. When you link your Venmo and DoorDash, next time whenever you're paying, you can basically just use the Venmo app in order to pay for your DoorDash order. This way you should be able to pay using Venmo on DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.